Welcome to the Volleyball Daily Lab. I'm your host, Tyler. We're going to check out Nate Go's serving post. It seems like he has some motivation to run another post, and it's been a while since he's ran a post. I mean, it may have been like 2020, and now it's 2023. Maybe he ran it in 2021, the expected kill. Can't remember, but he hasn't posted for a while. Well, he had some posts between that, but he hasn't posted some R code in a while. So we're going to just straight up take his post and run it in ours. So he's taking some data and he's creating some objects and he's running some LMs, which is also known as linear model. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just kind of copy paste and see what he's got. So let's see. We need to change this because that's Nate's. All right, so first I want to do is load up my data, and I'm going to actually load up the OVLytics package. And the reason I'm going to load that up is I need to get the set and the match results. I don't have that properly in my data set. I had it in my parsing, but I did it incorrect. Hey, that happens. So what it does is it to add, which I'm doing right here, to add as an argument, and I'm going to say winners. I could probably take off this C. And the winners adds the column set one by ID, match one by, team set one, home set one, etc., etc. So you can read through it, you highlight it, hit F1, and it loads it up. All right, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to get the set margin. Run that. All right. Now I'm getting into Nate's stuff. So my data set is ready to run as if it has Nate's kind of functionality within the data wrangling process, the data pre-processing, the proper term. So I'm going to change my international data. Mine is just DF. I'm going to name it DF. I actually just want to say name this as serve data. And my skill is not 1. My skill is serve. And my skill grade is not 1. My grade is error. Grade equals pound. And I'm actually going to change this. Sum 0.1 by equals team. And A to R equals 2. And we're going to group by match, ID, team, set 1, match 1, set number, set margin. Get rid of that. So I'm just doing this just serve percent because I just like... It's just my preference. It's not like Nate's done anything wrong. It's just my preference, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with having a preference. At least I don't believe there is. So you can see that's right. I don't know why it's not in the right order, but it is working properly. So great. All right. Okay, I have my serve data. Woo. All right, and I don't really like how this is put together. So I have serve data. I don't know what's happening here. All right, so serve error percent. Serve set margin. You know what? I think I screwed something up. No, actually I didn't. Because look, I have the set margin there. So we have set margin, and you know what I want to do? I want to say color equals set 1, and I'm going to say factor because it'll jack up. If I don't, it'll be annoying. If you wanted to get class, never mind. I'm not going to worry about that. So we'll do that. G on point method, RM formula, labs. All right, let's see. Let's run that bad boy. So that is why we don't want to put the color up here. All right, so let's take that out. Let's see what that does. There we go, that looks better. Well, look at that. Would you imagine that? Anything that is up is a 1 set, and anything that is down is a loss set. And anything that's an NA, why is there an NA? Well, that's silly. Let's do this. Run that again. Oh, what is it? Is that what it is? I guess that's what it is. Yeah, now that we have no NA. And if you look at it, you can't even see the difference, really. Oh, there's one right there, 0. That's funny. There's a few of them, actually. So let's mess with a few things. Let's mess with a few things. R squared, yeah, you see that is quite low, is it not? So what does he say about that? Looking at the R squared, 564, what was mine? 360, so pretty low still. Confirms that it's a poor linear model. So now we look at this, and actually I do like the AS color equals match 1. Oh, see, that's why we make a factor, or else it looks like that. Serve error percent. So what does he say about this one? Looks pretty similar. What does the R squared say? Six three. What is his? 630. Huh? Isn't that interesting? It's almost identical. Pretty clear that point scoring is to set margin, and the R squared value confirms that. So I wonder, would it make a difference? What if we did this? What if we went? Oh, whoops, not that one. Set 1. What would that do? Set 1 doesn't actually help that much. That is interesting. What about match 1? Nope, even less. Other way, but now it makes sense why he uses set margin, because it runs better in the regression or in the linear models. So now he's going to do it again, but this time he's going to run it with ACE percentage. So let's do this. Let's grab you. Let's see, does that work? Let's see, I don't really know. All right, that's labs. There we go. And you could throw in some colors. Oh, it has to be a factor. How annoying. 1 is a win, 0 is a loss. So that's interesting. What if we ran? Let's see what his ACE percentage is saying. Set margin, serve data. Mine is 8. What is his? His is 1 1. So mine is actually less. His is a little bit more. That is interesting. So for men's, that's going to be a big difference. Not like a big difference, but I mean, that's it could be argued that's a statistically significant difference. I'm not sure. We would have to investigate more. So First part worked, and that was kind of fun. All right, 25 minutes later. Wow. All right, I'm gonna have to cut some video. I don't want to do that. I'm gonna go to bed. All right.